Hi, I'm Melissa Wiggins with the Real Estate Muses, and today we have my longtime friend and business partner, Cody Reid with NRL Mortgage, and we're going to be talking about the second home market. So post-COVID, everybody wants a place to escape, and Cody holds all the keys to make that happen. So tell us about getting that dream second home.
That vacation home. So we're getting more and more questions about it all the time. Honestly, everybody wants to have a beach house, a mountain house. Actually, I ask that question when I'm talking to people now, especially when I'm looking at their overall financial picture and they're buying a rental property. I'm asking them, have you considered buying that mountain house? I'm kind of half joking, but kind of half serious. Or the beach house, etc. So with the VRBOs of the world and Booking.com or just people renting them out on their own, it's a great way to own another investment property, but you get a heck of a lot better deal on everything as a second home or vacation home than you would on, say, a true rental investment property with a long-term tenant. So
tell us the secret. Where does the money come from? How do you do it?
Yeah, so that's usually the biggest question is, how do I come up with the money, or what's the minimum down payment, or help me with the numbers and all that kind of stuff. So the minimum down payment you have to do is at least 10% down when you're buying a vacation home, which is better than when you're buying a rental property. Usually you're going to do 20% down or 25% down, depending on everybody's scenario and stuff like that. So 10% down, it's a lot easier to do it. So if you have a ton of cash in the checking and savings account, great, no problem, piece of cake, right? But if you're not sure where you're going to pull the cash from, there's a lot of different options. So usually we get on the phone and chit chat with the borrower. There's a lot of options, whether it's doing a line of credit. I'll help borrowers set up a line of credit on their house, their current house that they own, and they can draw on that to do down payment on the next house. We look at doing 401k loans. We can do loans against life insurance, loans against, I've helped people do loans against cars that they've paid off. You can actually just take out a loan against your car, and that's your down payment for or goes towards your down payment for your vacation home, depending on if you're buying that $200,000 beach house or that $2 million beach house. So we can help with all of that.
And have some expensive cars sometimes.
Yeah, it is. Like the car might not cover that part. So, and whether it's Texas, Florida, Alabama, wherever your beach house is, Colorado, Washington, Hawaii. I'm doing a loan for somebody in Hawaii right now.
That's one of the things that I love about you, is that you're licensed almost everywhere across the United States. So
we really are, yeah. A lot of experience. We're closing on a loan in Georgia tomorrow. I know some of my family's still back in Georgia, and really, there's only, I tell everybody, it's all the good states. That's where I am. General questions, I always encourage people just to give me a call and have a quick chat. It doesn't have to be we're not pulling credit or doing anything like that. We're just talking about quick, it doesn't even have to be a beach house or a mountain house. It can be, I was working with a friend that is buying a house in Tennessee that is, it's near Dolly Parton World? I forgot the name of it.
Yeah.
Dolly World, yeah. Anyways, there's vacation places everywhere, lakes, mountains, etc., and they're doing a VRBO, and it's going to be great. But again, it can just be a quick chat on game plan, brainstorming monthly payments, cash out of pocket, just a quick Q&A. It's super easy and very helpful. So.
Well, I love that you can make that second home dream not so intimidating for people.
It's super easy. It's easier than people think. So.
Super. So guys, if you're considering a vacation home, a second home, give us a call. We'd love to visit with you about your options and share our expertise and make your dreams a reality.